Since Meilink's inception, adaptability has been one of our greatest strengths. We have been taking good care of your products for over 150 years, day after day, always working in response to customer demand and relying on the available technology. We have reinvented ourselves several times in the process, from sawmill to high-tech cleaning and packaging and everything in between. We continually adapt to new trends and developments. Currently, our focus is on sustainability. That way, we can continue to be a reliable partner for our customers in the future. We know how important time to market is for our customers. We serve the manufacturing industry in all its subsectors, offering flexibility and reliability in ensuring goods arrive on time and undamaged. Whether you need industrial packaging solutions, high-tech cleaning and packaging, or logistics services. In today's rapidly changing, volatile, and complex world, you need a reliable partner you can trust. New products are being launched all the time, and fragile goods need to be transported across great distances. We ensure your goods make it from point A to point B safely and on time.
We focus on every step in the logistic process and ensure the value of each delivery. That is what securing value means. It gives you peace of mind. It makes you feel good, because we do all this in the most sustainable way possible.
And we do this together, as one, as Meilink. Whether a standard or a complex design, we devise solutions as part of the customer's logistics process and test these in our testing center. We are equally flexible when it comes to packaging, which we handle at your factory or our own factory. Every day, we clean and pack products with extreme precision, according to high industrial standards. We do this in our own clean rooms with high-quality equipment and a skilled workforce. Our logistics services also seamlessly integrate with our customers' operations. Whether they need warehousing, expediting, or marshaling, we go that extra mile. And thanks to our knowledge of customs and regulations, we ensure that goods are delivered undamaged anywhere in the world. We focus on sustainability in everything we do, reusing packaging and materials where possible. That is how we can have a real impact on sustainability together with our customers, in line with the customer's processes, with a lot of passion and dedication.
We want to do an excellent job today and an even better one tomorrow. This dedication and pride is ingrained in the culture that I and my employees uphold. As a family business, we feel passion and responsibility for our customers, our workforce, future generations, and the world we live in. This is what has kept us going for 150 years, a never-ending commitment which was made possible thanks to our customers. It also explains why we were granted the designation Royal in the summer of 2024, of which we are very proud. From now on, we are Royal Meilink.
Ten.